So you tell me how many centimetres wide you'd like it and how, or what inches, your choice. If you prefer it in inches, you do it in inches. Or are you asking the question of how wide is that? Am I being a bit thick here? Oh, okay. So this particular piece is just over 20 centimetres. That is 43 centimetres, that piece. So that's twice as wide as that. Julio! How are you doing, Julio? So from whispering your name. I convert it so it doesn't really matter. But I generally look in centimetres. But the Americans look in inches, so therefore I have to convert. In our heart, this is how we. How's your head today, Julio? Almost whispering your name. Hi, Natalie. How are you doing, Natalie? Oh no. Well, be careful when you're drinking that bourbon, Julio, because it'll sting. It's good, probably good for the ulcer, but it'll sting. What have you been buying, Natalie? Natalie, do you want to see what I made? Do you want to see it? It's a little bit rough around the edges, but... Oh, Prosecco, I don't blame you. That's a good size, isn't it? Whack, whack, whack. Say no more, say no more. I'm going to have to post a picture for Dottie, Anna. Send love to me, don't send it, I'm so lonely. 60 centimetres tall, 50 centimetres wide. 50 centimetres wide? That's huge. And I don't think that it would equate. When I go back in the house, I will load up the image and see what size it will be at that width. But I think 50 centimetres is wide. That's big. That's huge. This piece there, that's 43 centimetres wide. And that's over two of my hands. Over two of my hands. Do you remember the dragon we did the other day in the frame?